Hello everyone and welcome back to my show. And today we are going to be making toad in a hole. If you get one of these dishes, you want to pop 8 sausages in. Got 8 sausages in. I've got a bit of oil. You want to pour a little bit of oil over them, just to coat them. Don't want too much oil. And give them a shake. Then you're going to pop them in the oven. And in the meantime, while they're cooking, I'm going to get on with the batter. Got a big bowl. Got 140 grams of plain flour. As you can see, just give it a little whisk. One thing I did forget, it's better to weigh it out. Just want a pinch of salt in the flour. Give it a good mix. Then you want to beat your 2 eggs. Then you want to pour it in. Pour them both in at the same time. Then you want to give it a good mix. Surely. You see it like that, then you're going to get all of that mixture out. Not everyone might use their hands, but I prefer to, as an experience. You can see that. Then, bit by bit, you want to add the egg. The milk. Pour a bit more. So it's got a lot of lumps, so you want to try to get all these lumps out. I'll show you a good technique if you can't get the lumps out. Pour the remainder of that in. As you can see. Just give that another wash. As you can see, it's still a bit watery, so if you see it watery like this, Do 1 more tablespoon of flour. Give it a nice good whisk. It won't back the recipe up or anything. Until you get the right consistency. So all in that's like 2. That's better, it's coming together now, as you can see. Try to get all the lumps out, but we'll probably miss some. So if you don't have anything, just use like a little sieve to get all the lumps out. You'll strain all of it. Strain all the lumps out. Go through quite well, so it looks like I've probably got most of them out. Let's pour the last remainder bit down. Just make it every little bit. You want to cover all of them, the sausages, once they're done, that toad in a hole. That's perfect there, as you can see. Not much better. Nice consistency. That's much better there. Just going to put this to the side. I'll just put this mixture to the side. Give this side a nice clean, ready for the toad in the hole. Them sausages have always been enough for like 10 minutes, so I'm going to have a quick check on them, see how they're getting on. See, they're done, so pop them back in. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to part 2 of Toad in a Hole. I've just got the sausages out and they are looking fabulous. I'm just going to give this Toad in a Hole a little mix, so it's been a little while. I'm going to pour it all over the sausages. This has got wet fibres. You want oil to keep hot while it goes in. You want to put this back in the oven, as you can see I've done. Turn the oven to like 6. You want to put that in the oven for like, hello everyone, welcome to part 3, the final part of my cooking. As you can see, turning hole is lovely done. You've got the sausage, nice colour, it's got nice colour. Maybe it could rise a bit more, but it's probably because I did open the door to check it. So it looks lovely. Thank you for watching everyone. Hope to see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.